part 3 of this synthetic wig series. It's the 3rd wig on Amazon. If you missed part 1 and 2, make sure you guys go back and watch it. Let's get into this wig. Here's the construction. It is a lace front wig. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps. It's giving a wet and wavy texture. Let's try it on and try to style it. So this is the middle part. I have it in the color 4. So I'm going to cut the lace and come back and style it with you guys. So I'm just going to lay a little bit of flyaways down. And this product goes a long way, so you really don't need that much. Alright y'all, this is the wig. This one is definitely gonna get a 10 out of 10. I don't have any complaints about this wig so far. I think it looks really good. This is all the hair to the front, so it is not nearly as big as I thought it was gonna be. It's soft. I love the curl pattern, and I love that it's not that big. All the information for the wig is in my Amazon storefront.